Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. It's the day 7 of this channel and I have 51 subscribers. It sounds like a few, but each subscriber is a single person and I'm so thankful to all of you. Alright, today's lesson is long vowels. Today we are going to learn how to write long vowels in Japanese language. Since we have learned both Hiragana and Katakana writing systems, now we can write any word we want. Let's start today's lesson. Hajimemashou. Before we start the lesson, what is a long vowel? When a vowel is written as pairs, we call it a long vowel. For some examples, double S, double E's, double I, double O, double U. Here are some English words with long vowels. Moon, there are 2 O's. Teeth, there are 2 E's. Boat, there are not 2 O's, but the combination of the letter O and the letter A has made a long vowel sound. Alright, so to write long vowels, we use the same letter twice or a combination of vowels in Hiragana, and in Katakana, we write a short horizontal line to show the long vowel. Let's discuss this using some examples. First, let's discuss how to write long vowels in Hiragana. In Hiragana writing system, we use some vowel combination to write long vowels. A, I, U, E, O. And the combination of letter A and the letter E has become the long vowel sound A. In the same way, the combination of the letter O and the letter E has made the sound of O. It's similar to the sound of 2 Hiragana letter O's. Let's discuss some example words. Gakko, school. Oba-san, grandmother. Oji-san, grandfather. One-san, older sister. Oki, big. Kuko, airport. Sensei, teacher. Gakuse, student. Benkyo, unit. Iimasu, to say. Now let's discuss some Katakana examples. In Katakana, we use a short horizontal line as the second vowel sound. Let's discuss some example words. Soccer, football. Kohi, coffee. Computer, computer. Reader, leader. Post, post. Now let's repeat these words together. Gakko, Oba-san, Oji-san, One-san, Oki, Kuko, Sensei, Gakuse, Benkyo, Iimasu, Soccer, Kohi, computer, reader, post. Well done. That's for today's lesson. You can check the description box for the links to the other lessons in Kiko's Language School. Subscribe and join us. See you in another lesson.